Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Robinson, and it's time to learn. Today, we're going to learn how to identify the sound of B. We're going to read a very special book from our Alphatales series called Bubble Bear. Now, the reason why I say this is a special book because this book is full of words that begin with the sound of B. B is a consonant, and it makes it sound like this. B, B, B. Listen carefully because when I'm done, I'm going to ask if you can identify any words that begin with B. Bubble Bear, written by Maxwell Higgins, illustrated by Maxie Chambliss. Bear was the best bubble blower on his block. Bear could blow great big bubbles. Bear could blow itsy bitsy bubbles. Bear could even blow a bubble beard. Bear could blow lots of bubble shapes too. Bear could blow a bubble bell and a bubble birthday cake. And a bubble bunny and of course a bubble bear. One day, Badger saw Bear blowing bubbles. Badger was a bully. Everyone on the block was afraid of her. Only babies blow bubbles, Badger told Bear. But Bear kept right on blowing. He blew and blew until he had blown a great big bubble beast. Ah! Yelled Badger. She ran behind a bush. Only babies are afraid of bubbles, Bear told Badger. Bear, I am sorry I called you a baby, said Badger. Will you show me how you blow such beautiful bubbles? So Bear showed Badger how to blow big bubbles and itsy bitsy bubbles. He showed her how to blow a bubble beard, a bubble bell, and a bubble birthday cake. He showed her how to blow a bubble bunny, a bubble bear, and a bubble badger. And Bear even showed Badger how to blow a great big bubble beast. Now, how many things can you find that begin with the letter B? I see bear. I see bubbles. I see a bubble boat. I see a bubble bell. I see a bird. I see buildings. I see badger. Oh, I see a little bunny. I see bugs on the ground. Can you think of any other words that begin with the letter B? That was so much fun. Thank you, friends, for being such good listeners, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.